So we got this wedge, this diamond blade, and this is so you take the part of your wedge because it's slow, that way it doesn't burn at you. So it's always done with a wedge grinder, as you see. And so right now we push the attachment to that wedge. So with this disc, you put it on a wet grinder, and this has speeds. It goes forward and backwards depending the speed that you want to go. And this also is not sharpened. You know, we use the edges. It's really good for that. Put this protector so when you put the water, it spins around, and the disc itself is diamond. It'll last you a lot longer than a stone. So we tried it. It looks good. We're gonna turn it on again. We're gonna pour some water in there. Now I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can see how it works. You see there's a little bit fast screen. And so we're gonna take this edge that's a little bit sharp, as you see. And it does it slow for you. Always make sure you're doing it right. Hope you like the video.